Hi, I am Khushi Buddhi Raja and I am a visual artist and interior stylist. I work in professionally and my main motive is to provide art and infuse it with architecture of my city. So since childhood, I am inspired by my mother. She's a very good artist and I saw her building my art projects and charts etc. उस मूवमेंट ने मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया. And I planned that I should develop a career in art. So during my school days, my teacher guided me about my college, Government College of Art Chandigarh, which is a very famous department of art in India. And from there, I completed my bachelor's in applied art, which is basically a technology in art. So art में बहुत ज़्यादा variations आए हैं and during the time you can see art in advertisement, in digital media, traditionally, and everywhere. So I am basically focusing on using traditional art. Digital I am also doing, but traditional art कहीं पर lost हो रहा है. उसी को revive करना architecture में, interiors में और हम कैसे अपने commercial residential places में art को infuse कर सकते हैं. That is what I am doing right now. When I got the opportunity of Skill India competition. Skill India competition में I participated in painting and decorating, where we have to apply art on the walls. मतलब हमें walls पे painting बनानी होती थी, wall papering apply करना होता था, and there are so many tasks to do. I see myself in next coming year as a artist who infuses art in sets, which is already working. Like in the cinemas, in the production houses, you can see art everywhere. You can see art in backdrops. There is no shoot done without any backdrops or stuff. So what I am planning is that कि मैं अपने आर्ट को ऐसे यूज करूँ that it can be used for various production houses. It can be used in different architectures. मतलब लाइक जैसे पैनल्स आ गए हैं या बहुत सारे लेटेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आ गए हैं जो कि म्यूरल मेकिंग या वॉलपेपर या आर्टिस्टिक स्टफ को बैक लेके जा रहे हैं. सो माय मोटिव इज टू इन्फ्यूज एक ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट को और कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्ट को मिक्स करके उसे आर्किटेक्चर में लेके आना, शूट्स में यूज़ करना, मतलब वेर एवर आर्ट कैन यूज़, एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में यूज़ करना और ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट को ज़्यादा प्रमोट करना. Traditional art is like a manual art making. Digital art is going very vast scale, but I majorly want कि traditional and manual art को हम लोग आगे लेके जाएं, and that is what my focus is. तो चंडीगढ़ को मैंने शो किया है उसकी फेमस प्लेसेस को अपने कैनवस के अंदर एक कोलाज, एक पैटर्न्स, एक शेप्स का मिक्सचर क्रिएट करके विच इज़ माई इंटरेस्ट. एंड इन द प्रोसेस, ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस of making my canvas with the unique products, I really like is the Posca brushes. Posca brushes are very fluent and very easy to use, and I am shocked that they actually work on canvas. Otherwise, sometimes I face problem with acrylics and we have to prime the base, but the Posca brushes are really fine and they are easily moving and I am able to make the art on the canvas. And one of the product that is Unipin fine lines are very fine and they are available in numerous numbers which you can use in making architectural drawings, and I am using them for making my interior structures and my interior drawings, which will help me in future to make it more efficient and ease my work. But this time when I use the Posca pastels, it actually works for me because they are having a good texture exactly like a chalk, which helped me to draw not only on paper but on canvas too. You can see in my work that the Posca pastels are very well working on the canvas, though there is no such brand जिसका पेस्टल्स कैनवस पे इतना स्मूथली वर्क करता है, बट द पोस्का पेस्टल्स आर मूविंग एंड वर्किंग वेरी वेल ऑन द कैनवस, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई रियली लव द प्रोडक्ट. What the style in what I am making the drawings, I really prefer Posca pastels. Posca pastels and Posca brushes are the products which are of my interest. But if you are a person making mandalas or making fine line drawings, then I would definitely recommend you Signo pens and the Emot. They are really nice if you are a person making geometrical or making mandala drawings or use fine pens to make your works.